Ever wondered what bank powers those sleek, international transfers you make with Airwallex? It's a question that might have crossed your mind, especially if you're someone who frequently deals with cross-border payments. Airwallex, the fintech darling that's been making waves in the global financial landscape, has a unique approach to banking. Unlike traditional banks, they don't have physical branches. Instead, they leverage a network of partner banks to provide a seamless banking experience. The magic behind the curtain. So, which bank is Airwallex? Well, the answer isn't straightforward. It's more like a sophisticated dance between Airwallex and a network of partner banks. These partner banks are the backbone of Airwallex's operations, handling the underlying financial transactions. The benefits of the partner bank model. This model offers several advantages. Global reach. By partnering with banks in various jurisdictions, Airwallex can offer its services to customers worldwide, regardless of their location. Regulatory compliance. Partner banks ensure that Airwallex adheres to the complex regulatory requirements of different countries. Robust infrastructure. Leveraging the infrastructure of established banks provides Airwallex with the necessary stability and security. The Airwallex difference. While Airwallex relies on partner banks, it differentiates itself through its innovative technology platform. This platform streamlines the entire process, making international transfers faster, cheaper, and more transparent. The future of banking. Airwallex's approach to banking is a glimpse into the future of finance. By combining technology with traditional banking infrastructure, they're redefining the way we move money across borders. The takeaway. So, the next time you make an international transfer with Airwallex, remember that behind the scenes, a network of partner banks is working tirelessly to ensure your money reaches its destination safely and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.